Is echopraxia genetic? Have you ever wondered why some people mimic the actions of others? This behavior, known as echopraxia, can be particularly interesting in the context of schizophrenia. So, is echopraxia genetic? Let's break it down. Echopraxia is the involuntary imitation or repetition of another person's movements. It is not a standalone condition but, rather, a symptom that can appear in various neurological and psychiatric disorders, including schizophrenia. While echopraxia itself is not classified as a genetic disorder, it is linked to the genetic factors involved in schizophrenia. Schizophrenia has a strong genetic component. Research indicates that about 80% of the risk for developing schizophrenia is related to genetic factors. This means that if you have close family members with schizophrenia, your risk increases. For identical twins, if one twin has schizophrenia, the other has up to a 50% chance of being affected as well. However, schizophrenia does not stem from a single gene. Instead, it arises from many genetic changes, each contributing a small effect. These genetic variations can influence brain development, immune system function, and processes like synaptic pruning. Synaptic pruning is the elimination of neural connections during adolescence, a critical period for the onset of schizophrenia symptoms. Since echopraxia is one of the symptoms observed in schizophrenia, its occurrence is influenced by the underlying genetic and biological factors that contribute to the disorder. The genetic risk for schizophrenia involves complex interactions among multiple genes and environmental factors. These factors can include prenatal infections or childhood stress, which may also affect the manifestation of symptoms like echopraxia. In summary, while echopraxia itself is not directly genetic, it is a symptom that arises within the context of schizophrenia, a condition with a significant genetic basis. Understanding the genetics of schizophrenia helps explain why echopraxia may appear in some individuals, reflecting the broader biological and genetic influences on the symptoms of this disorder.